In this video, we're going to dive deep into a comparison between Salesflare and Ontraport to determine which one is truly the better option for automation and CRM. Both platforms promise to boost efficiency, but do they deliver on their promises? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which one fits your needs and why I believe there's a stronger contender that should be on your radar. First off, Salesflare is known for its user-friendly interface and heavy focus on automation. If you're a small to medium-sized business looking for simplicity in CRM, it's hard to ignore Salesflare's clean, intuitive design. It automatically adds data to your CRM by syncing with your email and calendar, making it great for sales teams who don't want to spend time manually inputting information. But here's the catch: while automation is a huge plus, Salesflare is somewhat limited when it comes to customization. It's streamlined, but if you need highly specific features or a more flexible setup, it can feel a bit restrictive. Now, moving on to Ontraport, this one is a powerhouse when it comes to complex automation. If you're someone who needs deep, granular control over your workflows, Ontraport will likely be more up your alley. From robust email marketing automation to advanced segmentation and tagging, Ontraport offers a ton of functionality. However, the trade-off is that it's not as intuitive as Salesflare. The learning curve is a bit steeper, and setting up automations might require more effort upfront. Next thing to consider is pricing. Salesflare's pricing structure is fairly straightforward. They have tiered pricing based on the size of your team, but it's not the cheapest option out there. Ontraport, on the other hand, can get pricey, particularly if you're using advanced features like their CRM, marketing automation, and landing page builder. It can be a bit overwhelming to navigate the costs if you're just starting out, and for smaller businesses, it may feel like you're paying for more than you need. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Salesflare integrates well with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, and Zapier, but the list isn't as extensive as Ontraport's. Ontraport comes with a wider variety of integrations, from e-commerce platforms to webinar tools and other third-party software. If you're running a business with a complex tech stack, Ontraport's ability to connect with various tools could make it the more attractive choice. But there's a crucial factor that sets both of these platforms apart: customer support. Salesflare's support is generally responsive, but it's pretty basic in terms of guidance. For something more complex, Ontraport has a stronger reputation for customer service, especially when it comes to the level of detail they provide. Ontraport offers phone support, email support, and even one-on-one training for advanced users. So which is better for automation and CRM? It really depends on what you're looking for. Salesflare is perfect if you want a simple, automated CRM that does its job without a ton of fuss. But if you need powerful automation, advanced marketing features, and integrations with a wide variety of tools, Ontraport comes out on top, albeit with a steeper learning curve and higher cost. But here's the thing: while both of these platforms are solid, after testing them both out myself, I've found a better alternative that delivers on all of these features and more, without some of the major limitations. If you're looking for a truly all-in-one solution that streamlines automation, CRM, and integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use, then you should definitely check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Don't settle for less. Try it out for yourself and see the difference.